Hello and welcome back. It's great to be back. It's the first day of the month where I can finally trade again. So when I'm entering trades now, I'll be entering them with you. Just let me close my Steam so I don't get these pop-ups. Those are quite annoying. Okay. Again, there will be no disclaimer for today, as I don't think it's productive or has any point, because like I mentioned earlier, if someone is looking for something to buy, they won't find it. So there's no point in that. Also, let me get my Discord open. There we go. And yeah, we'll start on Bloomberg like we usually do. There is really nothing of interest that I can see here. Absolutely nothing, actually. It was mentioned in the monthly recap yesterday as well that there's a saturation for these types of things. Even for tariffs, a somewhat saturation, meaning that a larger percentage of trades now are most likely, I don't know what's going to happen, but most likely going to be classic reversals rather than all those breakouts we saw in the last 4 months. So let's get to the charts. These trades I'm not in any of them, because I was at my monthly limit when these were entered. This was a 12-hour trade. This one, if you're in this one, just let it keep rolling. It's doing its thing. This one right here, I think this was a pretty low hour entry, I believe. Yeah, 6-hour entry. Or no, an 8-hour. Or was it a 12-hour? Oh, it was a 12-hour entry, yeah. So this one might have hit sell loss. Not on my chart. No. It shouldn't have been. It might. But my entry was kind of late, so probably not. Bounced off the support with the 200 MA and the regular support. And let's look at the other point of entry. That was a 12-hour one. Yeah, I remember this one. This one's still going. Stay in this one as well. Yep, all these are looking fine. Let's have a look at SPY. SPY is still in the same upward trend. We're not seeing any correction or anything like that. So really nothing to remark on that. Excuse me. I gotta drink motherfucking energy drinks. Let me put these out. Now listen to this, yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. That's a monster. Not beer, by the way. Fuck that. So look at the dollar. Stable dollar index, a little bit climbing a little bit. I don't know why it's climbing right now. What the fuck? Let me look at gold. Okay, gold is stabilized up. So let's look for some setups and see if there's any potential SR adjustments that are needed. I don't think so, though. Oh, some more gapping on the full 1 day. But yeah, let's get to it. And these candles are going to close in 12 minutes. So these are all very interesting to me. Yeah, I'm already going to mark this. That's a nice breakout right there. Yeah. I don't even need to redraw. I can move all levels. Okay, that's also very interesting. We'll talk about these and review them. But that's a cross pair. No, I'm not going to do a double cross pair breakout. This is the ATH one. Let's see. No. This could get interesting. Yeah, on the market. They have to go through 2 phases anyways. I'll review them when they're putting the potentials as well. Nothing of interest. And by the way, these months are slow as shit. November, December, and January are vacation months. People are not watching over the AI at the fucking banks, and the commercial traders are not trading, or non-AI institutional traders go on vacations. It's a pretty quiet time of the year. But it's not difficult to trade in anyway. It's just less trading. Motherfucking Luigi's going on vacation. Okay. We'll see how that closes. This level doesn't look valid anymore. What do we have here? Yeah, that looks better. This is stick and candle though. If I hop a level down, it's not the best SR area, but it's definitely one of relevancy. Enough of that. I'm not gonna cross pair. Some SR areas are still slim because of the SR inflation we've been seeing because of the lack of ranging, just the constant breakouts. This is the ruble though. Reminder on that. If you're on the broker I recommended, you know, IC Markets or Pepperstone, either of those are fine, really good brokers. If you want to trade the ruble, that's not possible. You need a CFD broker for that. If it's a good broker, the spread shouldn't be too bad either. But there are periods of very good money on the ruble. It swings. Oh yeah, it swings. So silver, ZAG, yep, and gold. So make some more levels as well. These are the exceptional levels. We have, these are level, yeah, these are level 1 SR areas. One touch SR areas, I just need them because it's gold. Like I've mentioned many times, it moves a lot like a stock and not like a currency pair. Let's see here. Nah, nothing really interesting. So let's look at 3 setups I mentioned. And let me get everything in order. There we go. CHF. These are cross pairs, yeah. So, I mean, I can enter cross pairs, but my rule is up to 3, so it is those are valid entries. And they're so tight, especially cross pair entries and exits and SL moving and all that, that I'm completely fine with that. With either of these pairs, I'll be looking for a breakthrough of the current resistance that I'm looking at. It is not the best though. It has been broken before, or we can see some reversals like this 12-hour candle right here, or if we go on the 8-hour, nope, 12-hour, no, it's not a good reversal. This range is too small, and there is no reversal in this one. As for this pair, I can't say for sure. This could be a nice classic reversal entry, but if you see the overall trend on the whole thing, it is downtrending, and it has been for a while. But that doesn't mean you can't enter setups or reversals that go up. Just look at here. All the time, it happens. So, very interesting setup. I'll just have to see how this one develops. This one is the most interesting one. This one could be ready on the next candle that opens. I'll get all these posted in my Discord right now. I'll do it so I don't forget it. I'm not gonna post the entries with the SL and the TP because I don't want people to just copy trade me. I want you to understand the strat. This is a pretty vanilla breakout. Same for this one. However, in this one, if the other breakout fails, this one is further from the setup being a valid one. So this one could be a reversal if the cross pair fails, which could be very interesting. We'll see how that develops as well. And this one is the furthest away from being a setup. It's not a far potential. It is a close one, but it is the furthest away we've got right now. Most likely a classic reversal. So a bit of a deviation from the previous month where everything we saw was breakouts. Just 10 breakouts in a row. theoretic potentials. And this is not a pay to join Discord or anything like that. It'll be linked to the description. I'll mention that in a minute. I'm almost done. Yep. Let me just save this. Yeah, that's all I've got for now. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment on YouTube. I always answer comments. And also, there will be a link to my Discord in the description. You're free to join that and ask me whatever the fuck you want. You don't even have to ask shit. You can just join and just be there. You can join and talk shit. I think there's just one rule. Let me see. Yeah. Don't try to sell anything. If you do, instant KGB purge. Yeah, this is straight fucking Stalinism, yeah? Too many fucking bots and shit and motherfuckers trying to sell shit. I ain't selling anything. I'm not buying anything. That's all I've got. Thank you for watching. I'll see you probably tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Bye-bye.